Sorry. Hi, this is Ramsey from Tunisia. And you know what? He's working as second countryman, but he can speak, you know, 5 languages like German, Spain,
German, Italian, French, Russian, Spanish,
wow,
also Hungarian language.
Hungarian.
Yes.
Can you tell me how are you or hello everyone?
Kotva. Mindig yo. Ad malag daw. Malag daw guzo. Namche.
Spanish.
Spanish. Hola, ¿qué tal? Mucho bien. Todo bien. Mucho trabajo.
To-
Poquito dinero.
Tunisia? Tunisia?
Tunisia. Assalamu alaikum, habibi. I love you so much.
Wow, Italian.
Italian, ciao. Come vai? Tutto a posto? Anche per me sono troppo lavoratori.
Russian.
Decoratori, così.
My favorite Russian.